Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have another Pixelmon. As you can see on my left hand, I've got like the Mega Ring, and behind me I have my new house. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is we've got some, like, I've got loads of things planned, and we've got 2 new Pokemon into the squad, and one sadly ripped. Actually, 2 ripped. Ripped to Barnacle and our starter Pokemon Bulbasaur, which is an Ivysaur. But if I remember correctly, it is Ivysaurs evolve into Venusaurs at level 32. Now mine's a level 32, but I cancel it so you guys could see the evolution. But yeah, we've got loads of stuff in here. So here we have Nurse Joy. Yeah, and we got our 2 shopkeepers. And guess what these guys sell? They sell Pokeballs. Shush, Ratata. Now we could sell these Pokeballs as well. As you can see, my money is huge. And yeah, we've got some stuff here. Yeah, these, you go like, oh, where did you find all this stuff? In creative? No, because we actually been fighting some boss Pokemon and some, what's it called? I found a mine shaft. Apparently they give you so much OP stuff, so what we've got. So yeah, I did evolve my Quilava into Typhlosion, but I just realized it was pretty garbage, so what we've got, as you know, my cheese strat, which is the thing, as you can see, our new Pokemon is Alakazam. If you remember the rule, those trade Pokemon. So what you gotta trade Pokemon, I just slash Pokegive, and here it is, Alakazam. And then I found a Rylu in that Extreme Hills biome. This game is lagging so much. Yep, here. The Extreme Hills biome, I found a Rylu, kept getting it up, and then this huge Lucario. This thing looks like a beast. And it is a beast. Yeah, look at that. That Pokemon is so sick. But we've still got Mandibuzz. I've got a tree farm of all the different kind of things that we need to make, but our goal for today is to try and find a Scyther. Now the Scyther that I want, if I could find a Scyther and then evolve it into a Scizor or something, and then you have to trade it. So I'm just going to do /give and make it the level of what my Scyther was, and yeah. But in the search we're going to be looking for a Scyther in this forest biome. But yeah, right now we need to get to sleep. Nice day. So yeah, here's my room. It's not very shiny. Oh, good, but yeah, I got the PC there. Don't have a healer though. I got the anvil, Got some chest here that has nothing in it. Yes! Did you see that in my inventory? Diamonds, Pokeballs, chicken. I didn't even realize that. New running boots, boys. Mending helmet and leggings. I found a, what's it called? Dimension, and it had an ender dimension, and I saw it have like different different, like if you see those things like the time zones, they're like portals in the air. Yeah, I found one of those, and I went inside with my with my Mandibuzz, and yeah, we found those leggings in the like town things. So yeah, what we're gonna be doing is trying to find like good Pokemon to get rid of Gyarados, really, I guess, or maybe Alakazam. Depends whose stats are better. I know. Oh! Oh! Okay. A Shaman is a legendary. Oh, okay. I hear it. Oh! Guys, I think I found the Shaman. It's right here, level 70. Boss. Does it want to battle me? No, it doesn't look like it. Yes. Alright. I don't have any Master Balls though, so... A natural gift. Was it very effective? Of course it wasn't very effective. I don't have any fire Pokemon. Should I get Typhlosion out? Really? Let's try Alakazam. Worry Seed. Let's do Psybeam. Worry Seed. Okay. Not doing that much damage. Okay. Confusion did a bit. Let's disable what he... Okay, we disabled Worry Seed. Let's do Psybeam. Okay, Alakazam's doing some damage. Send out Lucario. Oh, he hits like a truck. Arias here. Oh, he doesn't like that. He doesn't like that. Oh, the Surreal Spear is actually going well. Yes. Okay. Ultra Ball? Is this gonna be the end of Gyarados? Damn it! Alright. Metal Sound. Special Decrease. Ultra Ball. Damn it! Alright. Just keep going. Just keep going. Second level 70 Pokemon, come on. Damn it, come on! Come on, mate, you know you want it. Thank... Okay. Damn it, Leech Seed, don't do this. Come on. No! Stop, 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 stop. It's actually doing a lot of... Is Shaman faster? Yeah, it is. Wait, what? There we go. No, he took out my Lucario. Let's go back to Alakazam. Psybe. No! Alakazam! Why? No, Swallow. Oh, I just killed the legendary Pokemon. Okay. It was so sad. So sad. I just killed a legendary Pokemon with a level 37 Alakazam. Oh my gosh. The thing's not responding. I'll probably get back to you guys soon. It's one of those days, isn't it? Alright, let me try to find something to end this episode with. Give me something good up here, fan. Oh my gosh! Okay, Snorlax. Level 42. Crash. Oh my gosh. Snorlax. Alright, Snorlax. Come on. Give me the Snorlax. I'll be the happiest man in this world. I'd literally rather this thing than a Shaman, really. These things are insane. He has Sleep Talk as well. Alright. Oh, chip away. Oh my gosh. This thing hits like a truck. Okay. That's fine. His catch rate though is really low though. I think it's like 30. It's super effective. Lucario. Oh, faint. Alright, that did nothing. She's good. Get him down the red. Come on. Go on, Snorlax. You know you want to get down. You're down on health, man. I think that's it. Pokeball. Ultra Ball. Come on, mate. Or does she really have a heavy ball? No. Snorlax, don't kill yourself, mate. Ultra Ball. If this thing can get away, I'm just gonna Pokespawn it. Broke free again? Bro, get in the ball. Yes, okay. It's the last one. I think he's gonna kill me here. Yep, that's fine. Now let's, intimidate him. To get, let's intimidate him. Jirachi. Come on. Oh, the video's nearly gonna end. Don't end it like this. Wait! Do we? Oh, yeah! Boom! Let's go! Oh my gosh. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the man, the myth, the legend. Oh gosh. I think so. Yeah, you saw that Snorlax catch, didn't ya? I think. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button down below. And yeah, we'll see you later. Damn, we got the Snorlax.